Welcome back. Centre has rejected revival of Justice Shah Commission. 3 NGOs pleaded before the Supreme Court to grant extension to Justice Shah panel inquiring into mining-related issues. Supreme Court had asked the Centre to file its reply on NGO's plea. Centre in its affidavit mentioned Shah Commission has completed its work and action has been initiated. As per the report, next hearing is scheduled on Monday. Goa Foundation, Samaj Parivartana Samudaya of Karnataka and Development Initiative for Sustainable Human Advancement of Chhattisgarh are the 3 NGOs who filed PIL before the Supreme Court to give extension to Justice Shah panel. The Supreme Court had asked the Centre to file its reply. According to media reports, Ministry of Mines filed 14 pages affidavit on Thursday. Affidavit mentioned that central government has given extension to the commission twice before, firstly for 1 year and second time for 3 months. Total 33 months time was given for panel to probe into mining related issues. Shah panel had submitted report on Goa, Karnataka and Odisha, while Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh were remaining. In case of Jharkhand, commission was given 3 months extension and panel had submitted 4 volumes on Jharkhand. Meanwhile, there is no need of probe in Chhattisgarh mining case as most of the mining is undertaken by the PSUs. Centre informed that the panel has submitted report on Goa mining in 3 parts and action has been initiated as per the report. The case is listed for hearing on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent. US President Barack Obama does not deserve a Nobel Peace Prize. This shocking opinion has come from Hollywood actress Suzanne Sarandon. She was interacting with senior journalist Barka Dutt at Masterclass in IFFI 2013. However, she says that Obama is concentrated on good health care.
My expectations for him, based on his record in the past and his association with insurance agencies and nuclear energy and a lot of other things, I don't think it's a secret that a lot of people are disappointed. As I said, I didn't have high expectations in certain areas. And I'm even more disappointed in the Democratic Party and the Senate and the House. I mean...
Do you think he deserved the Nobel?
No.
That's blunt.
No. No, the Nobel Peace Prize? No. I understand that maybe they were encouraging him somehow
to do more
peaceful things. And I think he managed to edge around Syria, and we've been pretty close to some other mistakes. But certainly, if I was the parent of someone in Iraq or Afghanistan, I would have been very disappointed in how long it has taken to try to get out of there and what's going on.
Institute Menezes Braganza, on completion of its glorious 50 years, organized Luis de Menezes Braganza Lecture Series 2013. Governor Bharat Birbanchu expressed the need to provide access to the disabled person as humanitarian cause.
From the Disability Rights Association of Goa that there is no access to this venue for disabled persons, and as such our disabled brethren are not able to attend any program held here. I was informed by them that this matter was brought to the notice of the authorities sometime in December last year, but nothing has been done so far. I think this is a genuine humanitarian cause. I hope the concerned authorities will look into the matter and do the needful on priority.
Dr. Menezes Braganzaचे स्वप्न या हॉलान खऱ्या अर्थान आम्ही खंयतरी 50व्या वर्सान सेलिब्रेट करता 50व्या वर्साक आम्ही सेलिब्रेट करता आणि 50 वर्सान रावपाचे ना याच्या पुढे जाता जाल्यार याच्या विषय नेटान असे जे आमचे जे ज्येष्ठ स्वतंत्र सैनिक जर्नलिस्ट पत्रकार हे जे लोक आहा या लोकांचा आम्ही परत उगडास काढूंक जाय यांची परत हे करून कारण तेंच्यांनी जे आमका जे दिला हे त्यांचे रीण म्हाका दिसता आमी केन्नाच त्यांचे फारीक करूंक शकचे ना.
Acting chairperson of Sankli municipality Damodar Gadi may face an arrest in illegal tree cutting case at Sankli. Forest department has arrested 4 labourers and a contractor for cutting more trees than permitted by the municipality. Chief officer of Sankli municipality says that the municipality had issued an order following deputy collector's instructions.
आम्ही ताका लेटर दिले की 8, 10, 20, 13 सेजागाव लिमिटेड की आमचे फायनान्शियल पोजिशन मातशें सारकें ना तेन्ना तुमी कट करा म्हणून. त्याच्या पयलीं आमी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराची ऑर्डर आणि फॉरेस्टाची RFOची ऑर्डर हाडलेली, पण ती ऑर्डर पर्टेन टू ओनली 30 झाडां 30 ट्रीज. सो आमच्या ऑर्डर प्रमाणे आमी 30 झाडांचे लायसन घेतला.
तुम्ही म्युन्सिपालिटीन ऑर्डर दिल्ले हांकां
सेजाक म्युन्सिपालिटीन दिल्ले आफ्टर रिसिविंग द ऑर्डर फ्रॉम डेप्युटी कलेक्टर अँड फॉरेस्ट कन्झर्वेटर. कळ्ळें, तेंचे NOC घेतले आनी हेजी म्हणून सेजा गोवाची झाडां ती. सो तांकां आमी सांगलें की 30 झाडां कट कर म्हणून आमी ऑर्डर घेतले म्हणून, म्हणजे बिकॉज इट इज अ पोजिंग डेंजर टू द पब्लीक.
आमकां RFO कडसून इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की सातली विरुडी रोडाचेर झाडां कातरली म्हणून. मागीर आमी थंय गेले आनी वचून पळयलें जाल्यार त्या झाडांक 32 झाडां परमिशन जाल्लें आसलें. तितली 13 झाडां तेंच्यांनी परमिशन जाल्ली तोडली आनी 8 झाडां तेणी एक्स्ट्रा तोडली. तेचेर आमी ते जे लेबर आशिल्ले तांकां आमी आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आशिल्लो तांकां आमी अरेस्ट केले. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर प्रेमानंद कामत हो आशिल्लो, ताका अरेस्ट केलो आनी बाकीचे आहात तांकां आमी अरेस्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न करता. आनी तांकां जेणी ऑर्डर दिल्ली तो CP दामोदर गाडी, हेजे आमी चवकशी चालू आहा, तेच्या बद्दल अरेस्ट करपाचो वेतच चालू आहा.
ताका अरेस्ट करतले. सद्याक तुमकां मेळना तो.
सद्या आमी म्युन्सिपालिटीन वचून येता, फोन करता येता म्हणून सांगता. तर आतां पणजे गेलो आनी खंय गेलो अशें सांगता.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.